Welcome back. I'm E.Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today I finally got my hands on a colorway in this silhouette that I really wanted. They've been dropping like crazy, but every colorway is not fire to me personally. So I just patiently waited until they dropped the colorway that I actually wanted. And this is part of the artist pack. So as you can see, cop these from Hibbett. The actual release was it sold out instantly online like everything, but they're just sitting in stores, so I don't know how that works. But as you can see, we have your standard New Balance box, nothing crazy. Anything on the tag, it is size 12, of course. I tried these on in stores, so I would definitely go true to size. Unless you have like a wider foot or something, you want a little more space, go up half a size. But anybody else, or like for the most part, I would just stay true to size. So yeah, there's no colorway or color code on the box or nothing like that. As far as like description. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this joint, man. Woo, let me go ahead and get the other shoe for you guys. Get that close up real quick. See if it focuses. Got that white and orange colorway of the New Balance 550, man. These are crazy. Like, I really like this shoe. It definitely give you that vintage vibe. And it's a clean shoe, man. The material's decent. It's not like plush leather or anything like that. But these days, you don't get too much premium materials on a sneaker unless it's like a collab. So you got the all white leather upper with the hits of orange. You see you got the 550 right here in the orange. See if it focuses. And then your New Balance is like a nylon material in white. So that's a pretty cool aspect. And then along the midsole is like a sail or a cream colorway. It's aged. You can see the contrast from the pure white upper to that sail midsole. Then you got your New Balance logo and New Balance right here, which is a nice touch. Then it goes all the way around. It reminds me, this part right here actually reminds me of the the Yeezy Power Phase. Hold on, let me show you what I'm talking about. I love this setup, so I can just turn around and grab the shoe that I'm looking for. But as you can see right here, in comparison to the New Balance, is what I mean when I say it reminds me of that Power Phase. So yeah, moving on. You do have your hints of black. I know it, at first it was like the collegiate pack or college pack. So this would be like the Syracuse, the UNC colorway, of course. There's that team in North Carolina. But then there was like a white and black one, so I'm not sure what college that would have went to. So then I guess they changed it to the artist pack. And then on your insole, you have a black insole with the New Balance logo. And I believe it has Ortholite. Yeah. So you got the Ortholite insole, so it's supposed to be more comfortable, but I like to switch my insoles out anyway if I really need that extra comfort. But yeah, you got the black outsole. Oops. It's been so long, I'm out here dropping shoes. So you got the black outsole with the hits of orange, as well as the white. Let's see, New Balance logo on the back, kind of like the Bengals. So any Bengals fans out there, this will definitely be a nice pickup. Then your tongue, you have like the nylon tongue with the vintage like basketball logo. Since this is technically a basketball shoe, I'm definitely excited for the 650, which is the high top version. Should be dropping next spring, but it's all rumored, so who knows. But I'm definitely want a few pair of those. As far as this actual silhouette, this model, the 550, I may get maybe like 2 or 3 more colorways if something's crazy, but as far as that, man, I think I'm just gonna stick with a few of these. I don't want to, go overboard with this particular shoe. I know the Rich Paul colorway drops tomorrow, so by the time you see this, the shoe probably already dropped, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell out instantly. But you know how it goes with a collab, everything goes crazy. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Just want to do a quick unboxing. Definitely gonna have that cool gray video coming soon. Shout out to Finish Line for blessing me with that early access. Like, thank you. Because man, I took L's on the Shock Drop and the EA on Sneakers app. So Finish Line was my last hope. They came through in the clutch for your boy. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, man. Definitely a nice shoe. I would recommend trying it out. If you're still looking for these, I know these restocked today actually, like 3 times on 3 different sites. But I would just go on your Hibbett Sports app and click on the shoe, whichever colorway you want out of the 3. And then just check the availability for in-store. Like I said, it's sold out online, but they're like sitting in stores, which is crazy. So I was able to get these from the Hibbett in Richmond, so shout out to them. And I don't think anybody was on these for real, because they were on display everywhere. So yeah, appreciate you for watching this video, man. Let me know down in the comments what you think. But I definitely recommend this. It might be shoe of the year, you know, not this colorway, but the shoe in general. Could be in the running for shoe of the year, you know, who knows. But catch y'all next one.